Hi, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use a Frotcom app for your smartphone. Enter your username and password and tap the Login button. If you don't have access, please contact your Frotcom certified partner. This is the home screen of the app, and each button gives you access to a different function. Frotcom app for smartphone is not a replacement for Frotcom web interface. It is intended to provide you a simple and quick access to some of Frotcom's tools while you're on the move. Tap the button Vehicles to see detailed information about each vehicle, including the most recent activity and the path traveled. In the list, you have information about the last trip of each vehicle, where and when it started and ended. Vehicle list is organized by vehicle class. You can collapse or expand each class by tapping the arrow on the right. Tap a vehicle to open its details. This page shows all the information in different sections. First, you have the map with today's path. Tap here to expand the map to full screen. Pinch to zoom in or out. Tap here to reduce map size again. Tap here for a detailed view. In this view, you can select a different period to see on the map by tapping the date selector icon. Change the start or end date to change it. You can see up to 7 days in the map. In the end, tap the Apply button. Tap the back arrow to go back to the vehicle details page. Here you have the current status information. To contact the driver, tap the phone icon. Select Call Phone to initiate a direct phone call to the driver. Select Send Message to send him a message through Frotcom. Write the message and tap the Send button. If you have a mobilizer, tap the hand icon to block the vehicle. Enter the corresponding password and tap OK. Here you can see the last 3 trips this vehicle traveled today. Tap here to see more trips. Tap a trip to open its details. To see the trips for a different period, tap the calendar icon and select a different period. Tap Apply to see that period. Here you can see the last 3 events generated in this vehicle. Tap here to see a complete list. Tap an event to see its details. Finally, scroll to the bottom to see the graphs. Tap and slide on a graph to see the details of each point. You can search for vehicles tapping the magnifier. Type the search term and select the vehicle in the filtered list. You can also search by driver name. To see all vehicles again, tap the cross twice. Tap the filter icon to select the classes of vehicles you want to see. Unselect all vehicles and select the desired class. Then apply the filter. Let's now check the fleet view. Here you have the daily summary for the whole fleet, beginning of day, end of last trip, and mileage today. Tap a vehicle to see more information. You can see the vehicle path for the current day on the map. And you have also the summary of vehicle activity for the day. You can also contact the driver or immobilize the vehicle from the screen. Switch to Map View to see the whereabouts of the whole fleet. Those blue circles are clusters of vehicles. Tap a vehicle icon to see its current speed. Tap the right arrow to go to the vehicle summary page. You can get updated information by tapping the update icon. The next page allows you to find the nearest vehicles. Frotcom will automatically search for the 5 vehicles that are closer to your current location and present the nearest one. In the map, you can see the route from your location to that vehicle. In the bottom panel, you have additional details: the time needed for the vehicle to reach your location, and the estimated arrival time, if the vehicle starts traveling towards you now. You can also see the distance it has to travel. You can slide the list of vehicles to see all 5 nearest vehicles. If you tap a vehicle, you will get the same vehicle summary information shown in the fleet view. Tap the black icon to go back to the nearest vehicles view. If you want to see the vehicles that are closer to another vehicle, start by searching for it. Type the license plate or part of it and select the desired vehicle. Frotcom will now show you the vehicles that are closer to that one. To find the vehicles closer to a location, you can also search for it. Alternatively, you can indicate that location on the map. Tap the location icon. Pan and zoom to the desired location. Press on it a couple of seconds until Frotcom accepts it as the location to use. To see the vehicles closer to your location again, tap the target icon. To view the current distribution of your fleet per country, open the distribution view. For example, there is currently 1 vehicle in Germany, and today your fleet traveled there a total of 476 kilometers. Tapping a country, you can drill down to see the information by district. In the top of the home screen, you can see the number of new messages and alarms. Currently, there are 30 alarms and no new messages. Tap the envelope to see received messages. By default, Frotcom shows messages in the last 7 days. You can select a different period tapping the calendar icon. Tap a message to see its details. You can reply to a message here. To send a new message, tap the edit icon and select the destination. Tap the Add User icon to add more destinations. Type the message and press Send. Tap the alarm icon to see the list of alarm occurrences. Recent alarms are highlighted with the corner in red. Tap an alarm to see its details. To add a note to an alarm and mark it as processed, tap the edit icon. Type a note and press the button Process. To view where the alarm was triggered on the map, tap the icon on the top right corner. You can define the date range, alarm types, and alarm status. Press Apply to use those selections. Press the Settings button to access and change app settings. Change the map mode in the map settings. To check the app version, select the About option. Use the back button to return to the main menu. Press the Logout button to exit Frotcom.
Thank you for watching.